Hello guys, welcome back again. In this tutorial, I would like to show to you how to add an ink transition onto your presentation or maybe your video using Canva editor. Using Canva application. Okay, so now let's jump to the tutorial. Now you need to open your Canva and then make a new project. Here I make a video project, and after that, insert the photo that you want to add the ink revealing transition. And for the example, I will add this image onto this background, adjust the size of it like this, and after that you need to add one more image like this, and then adding it to this page like this. And after you finish doing it, now you can choose which image that you want to add the transition. For example, I will use the first one, this one, and then make it forward like this. And now you need to click animate and swipe left the toolbar until you found this ink animate like that. And then double tap. Now change the style of the animate onto bloom like this. And after you finish doing it, now go back and decrease the the duration of the first clip like this. And after that, click the clip and then duplicate it. And after you duplicate it, now you need to add one more picture. For example, I will add this one. And on the previous image, you need to remove the animation like that. And then for this image, increase the size of it like this, and then add an animation same as the previous one. Click the ink, double tap, and then change the style onto splotch like this. And after that, duplicate this layer one more time, this clip, and then add one more image. For example, wait, let me remove the transition please first, and add one more image onto this clip. For example, I will add this one, adding it, adjust the size. It's actually a same process as before, but every time you add a new page, you need to add a new image and a new transition. And after that, swipe left the toolbar, click the plus button, and then add a transition and use the match and move, and then check the apply between all page like this. And now we can see the result, and your video or your presentation will be look like this. And that's the way how to make the ink transition onto your presentation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you.